Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscriptions inside the Cash App. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first method is by using the Cash App itself. So open up Cash App and then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Make sure to be logged in also. Scroll down and select privacy and security. Look for an option labeled manage subscriptions or similar. And then find the subscription you want to cancel and follow the prompts to cancel it. Another way is to, if you cannot find the subscription management option in the Cash App, you can cancel the subscription by stopping payments from your linked bank account or card. So you need to identify the subscription first. So look through your recent transactions to identify the subscription payments. And then reach out to the service provider or merchant directly to cancel subscription. Provide them with any necessary details like your account information or subscription ID, and then block payments if necessary. So if the merchant does not cancel the subscription, you can block the payments through your bank or card provider. So what you want to do is contact your bank or card provider and request to block recurring charges from the specific merchant. Another way you can do it is contact the Cash App support. So if you're unable to cancel the subscription on your own, you can contact the Cash App support for assistance. So what you want to do is open up the Cash App again, tap on your profile icon, then scroll down and select support. Use the search bar to look for articles related to subscription cancellations or contact support directly through the app. You can also reach out Cash App support via email at support@cashapp or call their support line if available. So by following these steps, you should be able to cancel subscriptions on Cash App effectively.